doing today. Day 12 is kicking my butt, but we gotta keep on going. Kicking my butt, but still pushing through. All right, almost done. I think the best part about this is taking the strap off. All right, day number 12 is done. Let me see what my time is. I forgot to look. Oh no. 45:16. Day number 12 done in 45 minutes, 16 seconds. A little bit slower, but hey, it's gonna happen when you do something every single day without taking a break. Your time's gonna fluctuate. So it was rough today. It's been rough the last couple days, but just gotta get through it. I mean, just gotta keep going, because once you get done, you just feel so accomplished and like, I don't know, it feels really good to do something hard every single day. So, that being said, I'll see you tomorrow. Go do something hard today. Bye.